Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering 3 essentials: your VIN or contract number, SSN, and an active email. This speeds identity checks. Once done, open Toyota Financial Services registration and enter the account or contract ID exactly as shown on statements. Make sure to use the email you control because you will verify it immediately. Next, add a payment card now if you plan to enroll in AutoPay. This prevents a second login later and reduces friction during verification. You will verify identity by entering name, date of birth, SSN, and your billing address. These must match Toyota Financial Services records. After verification, create a username and a strong password. Include upper and lowercase, digits, and symbols to meet complexity rules. Then, link each vehicle by typing its VIN or the contract number. This connects payments and statements to the correct account. Once linked, review displayed account summaries to confirm you added the right contracts. You finish by carefully reviewing the terms and choosing statement delivery, paperless versus mail, and then confirm enrollment. Next, set AutoPay. Pick date, payment method, and enable email or text alerts so you receive reminders. After confirmation, download the Toyota Financial Services app or save the confirmation number and screenshot the final page. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, check that your SSN name and billing address exactly match your credit bureau records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.